Everyone, today I will show you how to fix a sound problem on Blood Strike game. To fix it, open the settings of your device first, click on Apps option, search for Blood Strike and click. Scroll it down here, click Storage, click Clear Cache, and you have to back, click on for stop, click OK. Move to Play Store or App Store, update your Blood Strike, and now you have to restart your device, and that's all. Don't forget to like and also subscribe in our channel, and see you in next video.